Here we are. Happy Thanksgiving. I don't know why my face is red. Guys, my office has like three windows over here, and man, the natural light is like nuts for what it does in here. It's like always different. So I got these two crazy lights here above me now, and then I got this other light over here, and then it's too bright. Maybe I need to change the light on that. Now I'm blind. But you know what? I've got my cam, so I've got my iPhone hooked up. Wait, you can see my junky stuff. There's guitar. Blah. But this has way better, way better. Like it just looks way better. And I've got like the top Logi cam, streaming cam. So I don't know what's going on. So, anyways, that's my complaint. Okay, if you're jumping on and say, hey, I know it's Thanksgiving, and if you're in America, you're doing all that Thanksgiving stuff. I'm in Canada, so we had our Thanksgiving last month. I lived in America for almost 10 years, so I know I love the Thanksgiving down there. I have lots of Thanksgiving friends down there. Actually, my father-in-law was born in California. My wife was born in California. They're both Canadian and American. My mother-in-law is Canadian. I think she might be because she's married to American. She might be. I don't know. Anyway, happy Thanksgiving. Everyone's doing a bunch of Black Friday stuff. If you're on my email list, guys, you know you're probably here. Let me get this stuff up. Oh, there we go. You're in here, so you're probably on my email list unless you've unsubscribed. Oh well. I've been sending out my products. I'm about to launch two new products. So Cheetah Method 2.0 is coming out, and then Email Profits is going to be coming out. Hopefully, I'm going to get them out before Christmas. So what I'm doing is I'm actually, as of Thanksgiving, no Black Friday sale. I'm just giving away my products. So if you don't have it yet, go to getpaidwithglenn.com, grab that funnel. If you don't have affiliate marketing on Shoestring or Cheetah Method, the first one, check your email. If you're not on my email list, say, hey, Glenn, I'm not on your email list. Or go to getpaidwithglenn.com and then you'll to get into that course, which is free. You don't have to take the upsells. You can basically you'll get on my list, and then I'm going to be sending it out over the next couple of days. I'll just watch the emails, and I'll be sending out the actual links to get into the program, so you don't have to go through the sales pages or anything like that. You just go right in and do the courses. Guys, these courses are for real. Um, they're not get rich quick courses. They're just showing you how to do affiliate marketing, and it's really basic, guys. It's affiliate marketing. Hey, hold on. Look, look. I don't know what this is. You see that? I don't know. Okay, this is it. This is old school whiteboard because I haven't put it on the wall yet. I don't know where I'm going to put it. That's why. So, what is affiliate marketing? Right? Someone's created a product. Okay, this is the product. Can you see that? Oh, my pens aren't going to work. Hopefully, the black one will work. Oops. Okay. So this is the product. Okay, got that? Product. So an affiliate sends a customer, right? Customer to there. And if they buy, ching ching, the vendor pays a percentage commission. That's affiliate marketing, guys. That's it. The affiliate over here, they could be anybody, sends a customer to the vendor product, and if a sale is made, right, the affiliate gets a commission. Make sense? Look at, can you see that? Hopefully. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. This way. That's affiliate marketing, guys. That's all affiliate marketing is. Now, what do we do to do affiliate marketing? Well, if we take the same idea, okay, so you have that in mind, right? We have to get our goal is to get a customer to the vendor's product. No, that's not coming off very well. Oh well, my wife has a cleaning product that will get it off. All right, so what do we need to do? Well, as an affiliate, we have to get we have to tell the customer to go see this product, right? So we make a landing page, right? So the landing page, can you guys see that? This isn't working very well. Let me I thought I should have checked this before. Let me see if I can do it. Let me find something on the old computer. On the old computer. All right. Let me just find a. Let's see what I have in my bookmarks here. I had a really cool online whiteboard. Let's just see. Online whiteboard flow tool. Nimnu? I don't know what's this. Maybe it's this one. I think I've used this one. Log in. I don't know. Sign in with Google. Try this. Sure. All right. All right. Let's just see. Let's see if I can just rock this without having used it before. Oh no, I don't want it to go there. There it is. Click on this. Go to 2. Okay, there. All right. So we're welcome sketchboard is diagramming. Okay, so what do we want to do? We want to create a skip tutorial. Let's just look at all this stuff. Add shape. Maybe this isn't quite the thing to do. Well, actually, you know what? This is gonna be good. Let me just go over here. See what I can draw. Draw. Freehand. Okay, so this is going to be the landing. So the end goal is to get the product, right? Just like in the sketch I had there. So this is product. Okay, guys, got that? Product. I don't care what the product is. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a landing page because we want to collect an email. Because if we don't collect an email, we don't have a business. Okay? Email. How lame is this drawing? This is drawing with a pad. So we have the landing page. So from the landing page, after they opt in, we're going to go click to the product page, right? Also, their email is going to go on to our autoresponder. This is our autoresponder. We're going to call it the AR. And we are going to start sending them emails. Blah, 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 blah. Go to product. Right? Then we're going to do another email. Blah, 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 blah. Go to product. That's all we do, guys, as affiliate marketers. That is basically it, right? The landing page. So what tools do you need to have an affiliate marketing business? You need a landing page and you need an autoresponder. That's it. And some autoresponders come with landing pages. Like you can get GetResponse, Aweber. In affiliate marketing on a shoestring, guys, I show you how to use Aweber as your landing page builder. You just make the landing pages in there, and then you send traffic to basically whatever it is you want to do. So it's very easy to use. I like Aweber. So here's my thing. A lot of people love GetResponse. Some people like Aweber. I prefer Aweber because the delivery is just better. Also, GetResponse seems to shut down affiliate marketing for some reason, even though they're affiliate marketing friendly. So basically, that is the system, guys. If you don't have this system, right, then you don't have a business. I'm sorry to say, you just don't have a business. How do I clear this? So that is, I wonder if there's a clear. Okay, got it. Yeah. Okay. So basically, let me take that off. Delete all that. Okay. So how do we get traffic to our landing page? So let's draw our landing page again, because this is the big mystery that everyone has. Here's our landing page, and we know what happens after the landing page. Goes to the product, and it goes to our autoresponder, right? AR. Oh, I'm in the way there. Behind my head, it says AR, just so you know, autoresponder. So how do we get people to our landing page? Well, we can create, I wonder if I can type. I don't know if typing is on here. I should have taken the tutorial. Anyways, we can create content. Oh, and you know what? I have my Apple Pen. I don't know if this will work though. No, I don't think it's going to work on my trackpad. All the things I do, guys. All the things I do. Maybe this will work better. Ta-da! I don't know if it's even on or charged. Let's see. Let's see if we can get it. I have bamboo. I used to have bamboo pages. What's it called? Bamboo paper. There it is. Let's see if I plug this in, if it'll talk to it. Yeah, I haven't used this in a while. Pair. Okay, it's paired. Oh, battery is low. I should have planned this better for Thanksgiving. Oh well, this is what you get for, you know. I actually charged it the other day. Okay, we're not gonna do that. That's the thing. So we're gonna go back over here and we're gonna fix this. Okay. Delete. Okay, so we need to create content. Okay. And how is content created? Well, how do we drive traffic? So content is this. It can be a Facebook post, right? Now, Facebook, you have to be careful. You can't just go putting links in willy-nilly, because people will go, oh, we don't like that link, and they'll block it, right? So Facebook post is really, you just want to get people to reach out to you, and then maybe go look at your link that is on your bio. So getpaidwithglenn.com is on my bio. So if someone goes to my bio or on Facebook, they can click on the link, which will take them to my landing page, which I don't know, guys, have you seen? So when you guys sign up for Get Paid with Glenn, you actually get this page. Like, you get this to use, right? Like, this is yours to use if you go through and do the course, like, totally free. You get that, like, totally free. So you get that landing page. So you create a Facebook post and then send them over there. You could make a video on YouTube, right? TikTok, the Instagram. Like, you could make videos on all those. Okay, what will your video be? It can be anything, guys. It can be a 15-second, 30-second, 60-second. It can be 2 hours. It can be a training. It can be a training like this. It can be whatever you want. All you're doing is creating some content to get people interested in knowing about you or what you want to do. All right. What else can you do? One of my favorite ones, you can do Twitter. Now, I know there's all this controversy about Twitter. It's, all this, let's say tweet. So why do I like Twitter? I like Twitter because I have an automation suite that automates my tweets. So I do the tweet once, and then I can just put it into my automation suite, and it runs it for the next year, 2 years, 3 years. Every 4 or 5 days, it'll post it again. So those are ways to get. So what happens is someone goes to sees the tweet and goes, "Oh, that's interesting," and they go to a landing page. Landing page, they put in their email. It gets taken. They get taken to the product. They get put on my autoresponder. That is it, guys. So what are my trainings that I'm giving to you as a Thanksgiving treat? Is let me jump back on here. My Apple Pencil stuff. Apple Pencil. Apple Pen. So what am I giving to you for Thanksgiving? Well, I'm gonna give you these programs. And listen, if you want to use the program, like if you want to use Get Paid with Glenn, right? You set it up, then email me and I'll send you the upgrades. I'm not going to send you the done for you upgrades. You got to figure that out. But I will send you the upgrades. So just email me and say, Glenn, I've got Get Paid with Glenn, or I've got Cheetah Method 1, or I've got affiliate marketing on a shoestring, or maybe you have my other stuff, my other courses, PLR, the six-figure blueprint, that stuff. Just message me, and any of the upgrades that I have, guys, I'll just send them to you. But you have to email, you have to engage with me, you have to like come and basically talk to me and say, I want to get the upgrades, and I'll send them over to you. And I will in each of the products, it shows you how to get approved to be an affiliate to make commissions if you go set up those funnels yourself. If you're trying to do affiliate marketing any other way, guys, you're probably failing. You're probably struggling. You're probably having a really hard time, because these are the fundamentals of it. Remember what I just drew over here first? The vendor creates a product. You send a customer to that product. If that customer buys it, then the vendor's going to pay you a commission. That's it. That's affiliate marketing. There's no other secret mystery anything about it, right? You have to send a customer to the vendor. And a lot of people go, well, I bought the program, but the vendor's not paying me any money. It's like, well, why would the vendor pay you any money if the vendor's going out and getting his own customers? What part are you doing? Like what value are you bringing to make money? You're not bringing any value. You bought the product, but that's not bringing value. You're not bringing customers to the vendor. You're not selling more of the product. You just bought it. So you have to kind of learn that. So anyways, that is what I have for you. Hopefully you're having a happy Thanksgiving. Make sure, just as another note, John Thornhill and Omar Martin are having a webinar in about, what time is it? It's 7 o'clock, in 2 hours. Make sure you get on my email list. Make sure you get the link to go see, because they're offering an amazing suite tonight. It's going to be a blowout, like incredible. They're offering both of their products together in a package that is, I think it's like $600 or $700 that you would pay regularly. Maybe it's $800. So I don't know. They're selling it for $99. They're going to sell their front end, which is called Rapid Profits, I think. They're selling that for $10, guys. $10. So you definitely want to get on the webinar, because I don't know what bonuses they're going to be having. I don't know what they're going to be giving away. But make sure make sure you're on my email list. I'll see if I can put a link in here in the Facebook group. If you're watching this, if I put this up on YouTube and you're watching this on YouTube, if you watch it now, then that'll be great. But I probably won't put this on YouTube. I'll probably just this is just for Facebook. So there you go. That's what I have for you. So everybody in the rest of the world, have a great Thursday evening. If you're in America, have a happy Thanksgiving. And anyone else, I don't think any other countries, I think it's only America's Thanksgiving is the holiday today. Anyways, that is it, guys. And I think I'll see you on the next one. So do the work. Think about it. Think about what affiliate marketing is. Get it down. All right, guys. See you later.